This video is prepared by engineer Muhammad Abu Ghazala, a specialist in the maintenance of electric and hybrid cars. CVT, manual, and automatic transmissions are different types of mechanisms used to transmit power from the engine to the wheels of a vehicle. Here's a brief explanation of each. 1. CVT, continuously variable transmission. A CVT is a type of automatic transmission that provides seamless and continuous gear ratio changes without discrete gears. It uses a system of belts, pulleys, and cones to vary the gear ratios continuously. CVTs are designed to optimize engine performance and fuel efficiency by keeping the engine running at its most efficient speed. They are commonly found in many modern passenger cars. 2. Manual transmission. A manual transmission, also known as a stick shift or standard transmission, requires the driver to manually shift gears using a gear lever and clutch pedal. It uses a set of gears and a clutch mechanism to engage and disengage power from the engine to the wheels. Manual transmissions offer more control to the driver and are often favored by driving enthusiasts. They require the driver to shift gears based on the vehicle's speed and driving conditions. 3. Automatic transmission. An automatic transmission is a type of transmission that shifts gears automatically without driver intervention. It uses a hydraulic or electronic system to determine when to change gears based on factors such as vehicle speed, engine load, and throttle input. Automatic transmissions provide ease of use and convenience as the driver does not need to manually shift gears. They are commonly found in a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to trucks. Each type of transmission has its advantages and disadvantages. CVTs offer smooth acceleration and better fuel efficiency, but they are sometimes criticized for a lack of sporty feel. Manual transmissions provide more control and can enhance the driving experience, but they require more effort and skill to operate. Automatic transmissions offer convenience and ease of use, especially in heavy traffic, but they may be less engaging for drivers who prefer more control. Ultimately, the choice between CVT, manual, and automatic transmission depends on personal preference, driving style, and the intended use of the vehicle.